Their body goes into what I like to say shutdown mode. Their brains start not functioning correctly. Some kids' skin gets bad. So it's all kinds of not good. They are more positive in their everyday lives. They obviously are healthier, more awake and alive, I guess. Not lazy. They're just very animated. I can't, it's hard to explain the difference between kids that eat healthy and kids that don't eat healthy. They just have they're very lively. They will learn how to teach your children to eat healthy and be involved in cooking and the experiences of healthy living, the paleo lifestyle. They will learn how to help your kids overcome the pickiness that they might have. And they also will learn how to be budget friendly and save time. People should watch the summit because there's a lot of great information and great speakers that are very knowledgeable in getting your kids and your family to eat healthy and showing them what's important in your everyday lives and what's important for your children to know as they grow up.